This is crazy. This is the device we're gonna build today. It's a portable stereo wireless power amplifier. I'm just wondering about how this little guy will perform on that speakers. Don't underestimate the power of little things. There's no humming, buzzing or hissing. It's totally noise free. We built this thing simple, beautiful and user-friendly as possible. Look at it. A good-looking tiny compact cabinet, a gun control knob on the up front, 3 signal LEDs, power, charging and battery full. This is 2022, so USB-C charging port. But it doesn't mean it supports fast charging. Fast chargers will blow the charging circuit because they push more voltage than the charging circuit can handle. For instance, 12 volt, 9 volts like that will definitely kill the device. So we recommend a regular 5 volt 1 amps or 2 amps charger. Amps don't matter. At least 1 amp is enough, but don't try to push the voltage, that's important. On the back, we have a stereo speaker socket and it's only about 142 grams, so you can easily carry that in your pocket. That's all about it. Let's charge and fire this thing up. What you're hearing now is just the room noise and the self noise of the microphone. I mean, the amp is so quiet. There's no humming, buzzing or hissing. It's totally noise free.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems.
This is crazy. I'm just wondering about how this little guy will perform on that speakers. Do you want to see it? Let's try that out. Don't underestimate the power of little things.
Connected.
Got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rug. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway. Love your body so I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause you're frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body emotion, I feel the commotion beyond me like rushing. I'm honest and broken, I flow like the ocean. I'm thinking you were chosen to fix me, I'm broken. My heart that you stolen. Hey, stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave chemistry. Feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next to me, and I really don't want you testing on your body. Feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Testing on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah.
I know you are wondering about how to make this, so let's break it down. Okay, here we go. We use the PM8403 amplifier module. It's a Class D stereo amplifier. Efficiency up to 90%, 3 watts RMS per channel, 6 watt RMS in total. It works with a 2.5 volt to 5.5 volt supply. So we can power this with a 3.7 volt lithium or LiPo battery. I used 2200 mAh over 18650 lithium ion battery, which gives me a good playback time. I played continuously for 3+ hours, but the battery has juice on it. It's not empty. You can use a bigger capacity than mine. Bigger capacity will give you more playback time. We use the a model that comes with the potentiometer because for this application, we have to minimize the wiring short as possible we can to avoid noise issues. And we use 3 2200 microfarad caps in parallel on the power rails, 6800 microfarad in total, which is used to improve the performance and stability of the amplifier. Otherwise, we get crackling noise and unclear distorted audio. We replace the 470 microfarad cap with the 2 2200 microfarad caps in parallel. The reason we do that for, we have to put the caps close as possible to the chip. And we have another 2200 microfarad cap close to the Bluetooth power terminals. Together, these 3 little buddies will make the system better. For the Bluetooth, we used a regular JL1.8BT. It's a stereo Bluetooth audio receiver module. This module always has bus noise issues, but we can fix that. Maybe that is happening because of some kind of ground loop. However, to solve that issue, one of the simple things we can do is make the wiring short as we can, especially ground. The better way to do that is just to attach the module with the help of resistor leads directly like this. For the battery charging, we used a TP4056 charging module with protection. It cares about all the battery charging activity. For the proper charging, we have to disconnect the load. It's a pain in the neck, right? That's why we used a 5 volt relay to do that automatically. For further reference, push the video quality to the max, pause the video, refer the diagram. See ya.